What's going on, everybody? Cack and Balls here again. Got another unboxing video for you guys. Figured I'm going to make this one real quick. This is actually more or less just to make sure that these items are okay. I've been having a lot of issues lately with USPS, with the post office, sending stuff that's all beat to heck. I've had items that have been misshipped to my house. I've had to call the post office and have them come out and actually retrieve the packages. So basically this is more or less, it's just kind of an unboxing video for myself to make sure that everything is okay. There's one item. Here's another item. I actually ended up having a couple speakers that I bought. Actually these, which these were in another video that I have that should be uploaded by now. The guy shipped them with the grills on and broke the tweeter off. So, word of the wise, don't ship them like that, ship them separate. So, open these up. Take a look at this inside here. Got some Punch Power 6.5s. These are not anything that I normally collect, so these were bought to just kind of, I don't know, hold on to or resell or something. This part's broken off here, or unglued. So there's one. Yeah, I lost my knife. There you go. And here's speaker number 2. Excuse me, guys. Speaker number 2. I just gotta make sure that they work. These have the swivel tweeters on them where you can kind of point them in the direction of where they need to go. These actually are in pretty nice shape. I may actually keep these, I don't know. These are the T162C, 75 watts continuous, 150 watts max. 4-ohm speakers. It actually doesn't look like they've really ever been mounted, to be honest with you. So basically that's it. So if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Otherwise, I'll show you one thing real quick. I had a pair of 8-inch speakers that I bought and ended up having one that was actually both of them, the magnet shifted on them, so I ended up going out. I reused the cone, bought new spiders for them, reused the voice coil. One of them I had an issue with, but the second one didn't have any issues with at all. Got it all fixed up. Plays really well. So, yeah. I should have done a video on that, but I didn't. So I'll put that up. Anyway, have a good one, guys. Stay warm. Stay cool. Stay whatever. It's getting warmer out here. I'm getting a little bit clemson, a little sweaty. So, have a good one, guys.